Welcome back to MTech, where we explore the latest in technology and space exploration. If you're excited about the future of space travel, you're in the right place. Before we dive into today's topic, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to stay updated on all things tech and beyond. Today, we're diving deep into the future of SpaceX's most ambitious project, Starship. Elon Musk and his team are constantly pushing the boundaries, and the next iterations of Starship, potentially named Starship V2, V3, and Beyond, promise to be bigger, better, and more capable. But what does that mean exactly? Let's find out. The current Starship. As of now, Starship stands tall as the largest rocket ever built, with a diameter of 9 meters and a height of 121 meters. This impressive spacecraft is designed for missions to Mars and beyond, with a fully reusable design that aims to make space travel more economical and frequent. But of course, SpaceX isn't stopping there. Upgrades and changes. One of the biggest questions on everyone's mind is whether future versions of Starship will see an increase in both height and width. The height increase seems almost certain, as it allows for more fuel capacity and consequently longer missions and heavier payloads. But what about the width? Will the Starship get even wider? Elon Musk hinted that the future versions of Starship could exceed the current diameter of 9 meters. This statement, made several years ago, is still relevant today, especially given the recent developments in rocket design. Increasing the diameter could provide significant advantages, including more fuel storage and better efficiency. The science behind the design. Why is increasing the diameter such a big deal? Well, it all comes down to the fuel tanks. The propellant tanks, which store the fuel and oxidizer, are crucial for any rocket's performance. Cylindrical tanks are the preferred design in rocketry due to their structural efficiency. They distribute the pressure exerted by the stored propellant evenly, reducing the amount of material needed to construct the tank and therefore minimizing its weight. Larger diameters mean larger tanks, which can hold more fuel without a proportionate increase in weight. This improved volume-to-surface area ratio leads to higher overall efficiency. In simple terms, bigger tanks mean more fuel for longer missions, with only a modest increase in weight. Starship V3 and Beyond. So which version will be the expandable one? It's not Starship V2, as we've already seen its first ring earlier this year with no change in width. Therefore, Starship V3, with a height of 150 meters, is likely the version that could see an increase in diameter. The initial assumption for the change in the rocket's diameter is 12 meters, a number mentioned in its original design when it was called the Interplanetary Transport System. But there's also speculation that the diameter could increase to 18 meters. If this happens, Starship would become the widest rocket ever built, surpassing even the Soviet Union's N-1 rocket, which had a diameter of approximately 17 meters at its widest point. However, for an 18-meter diameter Starship to operate normally, it would need either more powerful engines or a greater number of them. Given these challenges, a 12-meter diameter seems more practical for Starship V3. Challenges ahead. Scaling up Starship isn't without its challenges. Larger rockets require stronger materials and more sophisticated engineering to ensure structural integrity. Transporting these enormous structures from the manufacturing site to the launch pad also poses significant logistical hurdles. Roads, bridges, and other infrastructure may not be designed to handle such oversized cargo, necessitating alternative transport methods like ships or specially designed transport vehicles. Moreover, building larger starships will require substantial upgrades to SpaceX's manufacturing capabilities. The production lines, tooling, and assembly buildings, such as those at the Boca Chica facility, must be capable of accommodating the increased dimensions of the new Starship variants. This could involve expanding existing facilities, constructing new buildings, and upgrading machinery to handle larger components. The future of space exploration. Despite these challenges, the potential for larger spacecraft is enormous. If SpaceX can successfully create larger rockets both in height and width, it will mark the beginning of a new era in human interplanetary exploration. The most important thing is how far SpaceX has come with the Starship program. After 4 test launches, the most recent test on June 6th showed promising results, with the Super Heavy booster performing efficiently and making a controlled landing. Final thoughts. The future of Starship is bright, with endless possibilities for space exploration. SpaceX's recent advances have drawn significant attention from both the space community and the public. Successfully developing this launch system could revolutionize the space industry, helping reduce costs and increase the frequency of space flights in the future. And that's a wrap for today's episode of M-Tech. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know your thoughts on the future of Starship and what you'd like to see in our next episode. Thanks for watching and see you next time.